Alright, so this is just going to be a quick video on how to install the side view mirror for the Can-Am Defender. You can see we got it already mounted here on the driver's side. We're going to mount the one on the passenger side here in a minute. But you can see this is the soft door, and you can see how it mounts here. There's actually two holes in the metal frame of the soft door, and then this little bracket that comes with it. I'll show you that in a minute. And you just screw it right through. It's pretty easy to install. Only takes a couple minutes. If you did not have doors, these two screws here would be gone, and you would put the bracket on the back side of the frame there and just mount the mirror right to the frame of the machine there, and then it would stick out so that you could see. If you have hard doors, full doors, or hard half doors, it mounts just like this one here. It's just that you drill into the plastic to mount that instead of poking a hole in the soft door in order to mount that. So I'll show you what's in the box and then we'll get one installed. All right, so here's the box that it comes in. Small little box, side mirror, OEM Canam Defender, part number 715002459. You can go online and get the installation instructions and how to put this in, but I'll just go over it real quick. This is what it comes with. A couple of Allen wrenches to screw the screws in. There is 6 screws. You'll only use 4. The 2 longer ones are for the hard plastic doors. The middle sized ones are for the soft door, and the 2 small ones are to mount the bracket onto the actual mirror. So it's like I said before, it's a pretty universal kit. It comes with the bracket to mount it on the driver's or the passenger side. The left one here, it's not marked. That's for the driver's side, and the one that has the R is for the passenger side. That way you're not buying a left or a right, you're buying a universal. The mirror comes filmed so it doesn't get scratched in shipment. And then this is that little bracket I was talking about that you just put behind the door. And then there's little threaded nuts tack welded on there in order to mount it up. All right, so these are pretty easy to install. You take the 2 shorter screws and you stick them inside those holes there, and then it just mounts right to the plate there. And then from the outside in is where you put the 2 screws that mount to the bar here on the back side, whether it's to the frame or the door. As you can see here, the mirror actually lines up pretty good with being able to see behind you. I've read some reviews that you can't, but I can see right behind me there. If there's a vehicle that's behind me, I can move out of the way. So I really like the way they mount up and what you can see behind you while you're riding down the road. Overall, I really like the mirror. I can see behind me, which is what I'm worried about. Here in Michigan, we ride a bunch of dirt roads, and you can't see behind you in order to see if there's a truck or a vehicle behind you to move out of the way. So sitting in the actual cab of the vehicle, it actually is adjustable. You know, it's got on a gimbal where it moves, you know, inside the arm. The arm does collapse in. I do have a soft cover for this, so if I'm putting the soft cover on, I can clamp or close this in so the cover covers it when I'm going down the road, and then it pops back out, and then the mirror is adjustable there. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more Can-Am Defender videos.